other Thursday, we're taking a look at a health issue or concern affecting many people, breaking down the information for you and telling you what you need to know to keep you healthy. Dr. Kalani Brady from the John A. Burns School of Medicine joins us this morning to talk about how we can continue to stay safe and healthy while heading out to businesses that are reopening. Good morning, Dr. Brady.
Good morning.
Okay, so again, a lot of places are reopening, gyms, arcades, but even though the businesses are reopening, it's not business as usual for us that are going out to them. So what precautions should we be taking?
The precautions we've been taking for the last several months, Kelly. So we should be wearing a face mask when we're in a high density group in public. We should be washing our hands very frequently for 30 seconds with soap and water. We should be using disinfectants. We should be maintaining social distancing of 6 feet or more. And these need to be maintained during use of, say, gyms or arcades, as well as when we eat out at restaurants.
Okay, and during this time, because yes, businesses are reopening, and yes, Hawaii has done really great with keeping our numbers low, with flattening the curve, but it's not like New Zealand, where there's been no new cases for weeks. There are still active cases. People are still testing positive. Is it safe for us to be heading out to these types of things, to theaters, to arcades? What do you think?
I think it's safe if we continue to maintain the precautions that we have been told to maintain.
Okay.
I must say that we went to the Elks Club restaurant a week ago and had a wonderful meal, and the Elks Club was disinfected, and they maintained proper social distancing, and they disinfected tables in between people who came to eat dinner at the Elks Club, and we wore masks coming into the Elks Club and took them off only when we got to the table to eat. So if we follow those precautions, I think we should be okay.
Okay, so again, those dining precautions, you do want to wear your mask as you're heading to your table, and the restaurants hopefully are doing their part to disinfect things. Is there anything else we should be doing when it comes to dining?
Eat healthy, vegetables and fruits.
Okay, so the typical healthy lifestyle. And then also, you know, many businesses, they don't have, you know, the salt shaker out. They don't have the shared things. They just give you kind of individually wrapped things. And yesterday I went to the California Pizza Kitchen and I realized, and I don't know, because I've gone out a couple of times. I don't know if any other restaurants did this, but they weren't refilling our waters either. They came and gave us brand new cups of water. So the restaurants are doing their part in keeping us safe and healthy as well.
Right.
Okay, just like as you were saying with the Elks Club with all the disinfecting. Okay, so Dr. Brady, I guess at the end of the day, it's just keep doing what we're doing, maintain social distancing, wear those masks, wash those hands, and hopefully we should be okay.
Don't let your guard lapse so you can continue to enjoy those things that you want, like arcades and gyms. Don't let your guard lapse.
Okay, good to know. Thank you so much, Dr. Brady, for joining us this morning.
You're welcome.
All right, and we'll see you next week.
See you next week.
Okay, perfect. Have a great one.
Yep, bye-bye.
Bye.